In today's video, we will guide you through the procedures for paying arrival notice fees. Whether you're receiving a package or shipping goods, understanding the payment process is essential for a seamless experience. Let's dive in. Have you ever received an arrival notice and wondered how to make the payment? We're here to help. Paying arrival notice fees is an essential step in ensuring the smooth delivery or pickup of your package. Let's go over the procedures together. When you receive an arrival notice, it means your package has reached its destination and is ready for you to pick up or have it delivered. Arrival notice fees are charges related to customs, duties, and other expenses incurred during the shipping process. Before making the payment, carefully review the arrival notice. It contains important details such as the total amount due, payment deadline, and instructions on how to proceed. Ensure you have the necessary information at hand to avoid any delays. Once you're on the payment portal, enter the required information accurately. Double-check the amount due and confirm the transaction. Ensure that you keep a record of the payment confirmation for future reference. In some cases, the arrival notice will state the need to submit the proof of payment to the shipping company or customs authorities. They help cover customs duties, taxes, handling fees, and other charges related to the shipping process. By paying these fees promptly, you ensure the smooth arrival and clearance of your package, avoiding any unnecessary delays. Understanding these processes will make your shipping experience even more convenient. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.